Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've got a tender-headed little one with 4C hair who runs at the side of a comb, this video is for you. Today, I'm showing you how to gently care for your child's natural hair. No combs, no brushes, and no tears. Just love, moisture, and length retention. We're talking real tips that help reduce pain, prevent breakage, and keep their hair healthy and thriving without the drama. So grab your spray bottle, a little patience, and let's get into this stress-free routine that works wonders for sensitive scalps and beautiful curls. First things first, when working with 4C hair, especially for tender-headed kids, you never want to start on dry hair. So I did her hair the day before, and her hair is still moisturized, it's still soft, it still has some moisture in it, but I'm still going to apply extra moisture. I'm using water mixed with glycerin in a spray bottle to moisturize her hair to make it soft and pliable. As you can see, moisturizing her hair makes it easier for me to section and part her hair with just my fingers. No combs needed here. She is tender-headed, and so I have to be extra careful and I have to be extra patient when working on her hair. As you can see, I'm trying my best to gently part her hair with my fingers. Using my fingers reduces breakage, which increases length retention. It also makes doing her hair less painful and less stressful. Next, I'm using my fingers to gently separate the hair into smaller sections to remove any knots and tangles. And now I'm applying this super moisturizing leave-in conditioner. This conditioner is going to seal in the moisture. It will keep the hair super hydrated, moisturized, and soft. If you want to learn how to make this leave-in conditioner, I have a video on this channel showing you how to make this leave-in conditioner. Make sure you massage and work the leave-in conditioner into the hair strands while finger detangling. This will make sure that each individual hair strand is coated with this leave-in conditioner. Next, I'm applying hair butter to the sectioned hair as well, and this will keep the hair super sealed. The moisture is going to be sealed. So the butter is going to add extra protection to the hair strands. My second daughter came to check on how her big sister's hair is going. So the last thing I'll be doing to the hair is to add hair oil to the hair. So all these products are going to help the hair to last longer without me remoisturizing the hair. So this hairstyle should last between 2 to 3 weeks without me adding extra moisture to the hair. Oh yes, I forgot to add that you should also apply the oil to the scalp. So we're going to add the oil to the scalp and to the hair strands. And then finger detangle more to make sure that there are no knots still remaining. And then go right ahead and twist the hair.
Grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be.
After twisting each hair section, I used hair clips to protect the ends in order to prevent the weak tips from breaking. To finish the hair, all I did was to repeat all the steps that I just showed you until all the hair is done. I'm going to speed up this video so that you can see the entire process of me doing her hair. Enjoy.
So grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. cup. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far. See you with the top down. This joy deep down inside me, I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far. Stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far. Deep down inside me, I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. call my mama in a cup cup. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. Just let tomorrow wait. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far. City with the top down. This joy deep down inside me, I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup cup. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. Just let tomorrow wait. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
And that's it. A stress-free, pain-free, natural hair day for your tender-headed little one. No combs, no tears, and definitely no breakage. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and to share it as well. Tell me in the comment section what your go-to gentle hair trick for your kids is. Let's help each other. Bye.